Welcome to XJet Sensational video series. My name is Lilach Sofir. As you might be able to see, I'm doing this video from my home as I've just returned from Lapland and the coronavirus outbreak forces us to be in isolation. This is the first video in our Sensational video series. Each will take you through one of the 5 senses. Let's start with the one that occupies our brains the most, the vision. I want you to take a look at this ceramic filter we've printed on XJet system. Now, since I am at home, I've asked from one of my colleagues in the lab to put it under the microscope and zoom in. I want you to take a look at the holes of this ceramic filter and see how consistent they are and how accurate they are. If you ask me how accurate can we be and what are the details, then with XJet you can reach 50 microns accuracy and build details that are as small as 200 microns. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will join us to the rest of the sensational videos. Bye bye!